Hey guys, so just making some short videos to upload onto social media to give you sort of a brief, well not brief, an in-depth explanation of sort of the help that we were looking for and the conditions that we have at the farm at the moment and the things we need to improve with. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour. I'm going to make various videos today, but this one is just going to be probably, I don't know, 5 minutes. So this is it's a small, quite old chicken coop, but it's not very secure. Unfortunately, there's been dogs come to the area and they've killed most of the chickens, which is sad. So we need to create an area where they can be safe. So all of this area is lemongrass. We can harvest this now, it is ready. But there's not much money to be made from it at all. I think, I can't remember the exact amount, but you know, we're talking maybe $1 for like 3 people's work for like 5 hours. So you know, that's like 15 man hours for $1. So we'll keep on going. I'll show you another part of the property. Like I said, this is all lemongrass. Smells delicious, keeps the mosquitoes at bay, which is a godsend because we had dengue here. Dengue, don't know how you pronounce it, which is, as some of you may know, very dangerous and can kill you. So just gonna go across. Oh, here you go. Give you a little bit of a view back of where I've just come from. Ooh, wow. It's been raining a lot here, so the ground is very wet and slippery. Ooh. So this is leftover materials, straw, fabric, materials, what am I on about? But it's basically leftover from the rice harvest from last year, and this is the perfect substrate for growing mushrooms on. And my host, he has hectares of rice paddy fields. So when we harvest the rice, which will be mid to late November, we'll have just a ridiculous amount of substrate to grow mushrooms, which means that we don't have to buy anything to grow the mushrooms on. Wow, look how much I'm sweating. It's so hot. This is the old chicken coop slash, let me just get through, old chicken coop slash workshop. So there are a few tools. This tool, for instance, it's meant for grinding down things, like plant materials, wood, etc., which we can use to process the leftover dried up rice plant matter into smaller pieces to grow mushrooms from. We have a table saw, which will come in handy for obviously cutting wood. There's a nice selection of wood over here, some of which is actually really nice quality wood. So part of the project, which Another thing I mentioned on my GoFundMe will be to produce furniture, beds, just anything that we can sell at market, just to try and to produce a little bit of extra money. But like I said, this was the old chicken coop. You can see it is quite a large area, so you know the chickens would live a decent life in here. You know, it's I wouldn't class it as completely free range, sorry, but they'll be allowed out in the daytime to forage, and then naturally they will return here at night time, because chickens are aware of predators and that they like to roost